Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial we'll show you how the new Auto Shutdown Manager Model Context Protocol Server gives your automation and AI agents instant unlimited Wake-on-LAN power, while slashing energy costs and increasing security. AI-driven workflows, nightly builds, and scheduled backups all need machines online exactly when the job starts, not hours before. Leaving every system running 24/7 wastes energy and money. With the MCP Server, powered-off devices wake only when your workflow tells them to and shut down again when the work is done. This not only saves money but also enhances security, because PCs that are shut down cannot be compromised. Now let's look at a real-life example. Suppose you're in Visual Studio Code and you're ready to run your test environment. The test machine sits in a lab on another campus. Before the tests start, the AI agent checks whether the machine is running and, if not, wakes it up automatically. As next real-life example, let's integrate the MCP server into an N8N workflow. The agent will check whether the required machines are online and, if not, wake them up automatically. This is a very simple workflow, designed purely for demonstration purposes. First, add an MCP client to your agent's toolset. Enter the URL of the MCP server. By default, this is the address of your local machine. Make sure the MCP server is running, then click the tool selector to verify that everything works. There should be 3 tools available: Echo, Ping, and Wake PC by name. Now switch back to All and give the MCP tool a meaningful name. Go back to the canvas to verify that everything looks correct. Now let's test the workflow. Enter a prompt such as, "Wake my scraper machine named Pi4 if needed," then scrape a website. Then start the execution by hitting the prompt arrow. Now the agent uses the Auto Shutdown Manager MCP server to check the availability of our scraper PC and wakes it when needed. Finally, the agent was able to finish the job successfully, even though the scraper PC had been powered off beforehand. The MCP server is available free of charge. You can download it from the Downloads section of the EnviProt website. It includes documentation that walks you through the installation and integration process step by step. An FAQ document is also available. The links are provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your feedback. Feel free to reach out through the contact details. See you next time.